huge clearance. Yes, some more clearance, some new lower prices. It's just all over the store. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can remember to review a video so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, so $39 down from $49 a grinder, 4.5 grinder Metabo. Now this one, a lot of you commented on my last video. Those batteries, those flex batteries are bad. I guess they're leaking. You got this one on clearance. That's what $2.99 down from $1.99 or to $1.99. You got this one down to $1.19 down from $1.39. That's an inflator from the DeWalt's. All right, some more flex stuff. We got a turbo drill and impact driver with the new batteries, circular saw. So 32 combo kit and a couple of batteries are $649 for the 4-piece. I did not see the fourth piece, so maybe because of the racks. You got this one's pretty good deal. This is actually a nice mechanic set with some lots of sockets. $29.98 down from $59.98. So definitely jump on this one. It's 126 piece. Does have a lot of bits in there. $14.98 down from $19. This is a must-have. Have all these bits, especially those security bits on the left, the top left. Some more clearance items there for remodels or whatever you have. Rental homes. $6.98 down from $9 for this hammer. It's a pretty good deal. 16 ounce. Just to have it in the toolbox. 61 piece down from $69 to $39. It's already sold out. That is a killer deal there. That one, whoever got that one. I'm pretty sure a lot of resellers got them. Because I know a lot of the stores, they already sold out. Alright, so 79 down from 99. And not to go, not to blast them out or anything. But they, a lot of the guys that get us the deals are actually resellers. So do not be mad that that's why we all know, our YouTubers know, or other internet people know that for all the deals that come up, because they're the ones that are actually looking for those deals, and then they decided to share with us the rest of the public. So these are $14, not bad, guys, with the new lower price there. This was a clearance 33 down from 36 structural foam box. It's already sold out. You got another one that's a 24-gallon chest, 68 down from 75. It's already sold out on this one. Now this one is not sold out. This one's 37 down from 41, 26-inch toolbox. All right, I do recommend this one. This one's a pretty good deal. 169 down from 219. They still got a lot in stock, and then they got this Craftsman rolling box. This was 37 down for 41. I don't know if this is actually the same one that's on the label there. I got the Tough System. So now we got a whole bunch of Tough System. 58 down from 64. 16-inch massive mouth bag. You got a pouch knife pocket there. It's $13 in clearance. That's what it looks like. Pretty rugged. Clip on and off. And then you got the 14-inch rolling bag, $89 down from $99. So really beefy wheels. Extreme tool backpack, $53 down from $59. I'm pretty sure we're gonna see lower prices than these. $63 down from $79 for the rolling tool bag for the Cobalts. And then you get electrician's tote, $39 down for $49. So lots of good deals on these. Make sure you guys look at this section. Cobalt 12-inch tool totes, $26 down from $29. Pretty nice. Electrician's totes, $39 down from $49. So there's a whole bunch of stuff here in the section. A lot of the stuff is repeated. But yeah, there's the tool bag, the rolling tool bag. That thing looks really nice. And there's the tote bag there. It's pretty nice to have like a plumbing kit. And then for smart devices, guys, if you want to keep the garage or the house in security, make sure you guys, get a lot of these cameras are pretty good deals. $19 and $39.99 for indoor outdoor cameras. And then you got the doorbell there for $149. There's another one that's less price, believe $35 from the Blink. Gotta buy one, get one free. You get a free battery with the purchase of a combo. I believe they're still running this deal. Alright, so this is the cheaper one. This was $129 down from $149. Blower and trimmer combo. And if you guys want the best one, which is this one, the brushless RP. So I would definitely jump on the one that's brushless RP. It's a little bit more power. $179 down from $199. And then we got this one on clearance, guys. It's just like nobody wants these mowers. $239 down from $299 clearance. 125cc. I'm pretty sure we're going to see that even lower. $8 down from $17 for the U-twist or ugly twist. However, this one's not the one that's on the label. The one that was on the label is a .080. Alright, so we got this 2-cycle oil. Got a brushless RP blower kit. 108 down from 10 or 149. That's come with a 2 amp hour battery. So more clearance, universal trimmer strap. $487 down from $898. Max load pro bump head. $15 down from $31. I ended up picking on myself one of these because I have a Cobalt. I need to upgrade. We'll see if that works with that. It's a 40-volt Cobalt, and it was labeled for it on the back. You have the gas on the left, which there's a lot more. And then you got the battery-powered equipment on the right. So if you got the Hart, the DeWalt's, I believe the Milwaukee one's labeled on it as well. This one's on clearance, guys. $99 down from $399. 36-inch riding mower bag. Got the Longhorn combo covers. $35 down from $59. Cordless hang hook. VersaStack compatible. If you guys got the system, make sure you guys stock up on these. I personally think that these are hard to sell because not a lot of people are in this system. But there they are. You got the hooks, the shelves, brackets, everything. Alright, lawn and garden rail kit. This one's $34 down from $49. This one's pretty nice for the shed. If you guys are keeping equipment there. You got the weather station. This is a really nice weather station. This one's $38 down from $64 for all you weather people. And then you got the mast there and clearance, $8 down from $34. And then you got this extension. It's a holiday extension cord for $9 down from $39. It's actually good for if you're running lights and if you're running smaller saws. If you want to charge for those batteries, then this is a great, obviously 16 gauge is not going to be a lot. But, for charging those batteries, it's actually pretty good. Pretty good deal on that one. So, definitely check it out. Alright, so they got a fish tape here. 56 down from 92. That's a really good deal on that one. Then you got a tool strap there. $14 and for $59 or $69. You got a pet guard crate, a medium size, $55 down from $69. Like I said, guys, your Lowe's might have these prices even lower. Just depends on what it is. You got a 4-cycle 32-ounce gas for $172. So if you guys got mowers and generators and all that stuff, make sure you guys stock up on these. 75% off on this Pelican apparel. So all this stuff. I'm not going to go over it in detail, but they still got some nice blue ones there. Got the puller. I ended up, buying one of these because you never know what you're going to need this for. If you're going to be, pulling something out of a car or a truck or whatever. So I just ended up picking it for $6. It's a good deal. Got the hookup kit, plastic tube. Then again, toolboxes, guys. Toolbox. There's a whole bunch in this Love's. The whole middle section was filled with toolboxes. Alright, let's start with this clearance. This one's down to $197 from $219. $242 down from $298, I believe. This is a 4-drawer chest. I really love the color on this one, guys. The light Easy to see everything on the background. Like the drawers, pretty nice shallow drawers, and then you got some deeper ones there at the bottom. That's what it looks like compared to a 52 there on the side. But yeah, really like the green one there. All right, so they got this solid wood top there, $399. They're from 449, 41-inch, 7-drawer, and then they got this blue one. This one's really nice. This one's 459. They're from 299. That's actually 259. They're from 299. My bad. Some nice deep drawers, shallow drawers. There's one's down to 339 from 399. 36-inch 5-drawer. All right, they got a different one in black. Here's 179 down from 219. And then they got this 219 down from, it's a pretty good deal. It does have a charging station there, a power strip. All right, so talking about that blue box, we did see this one's 339 down from 399. They got a whole bunch here, especially the bottom ones. They have a whole bunch. I mean, they have stocks of these, and then they got the smaller one here. I believe this one's the black one. It says here end date 8/6/23. So these are outdated boxes from last year. Same thing with this one, guys. This one's a 41-inch 6-drawer chest, and then this one's 242 down from 269. Guys, these are gonna come down even lower than this price. So make sure you guys, go to your Lowe's and take a look at what you see there. Scan them, because check out this 52-inch. I do have this 52-inch. That thing's a beast. As a matter of fact, I'm looking at it right here. I did get mine on clearance as well. Now this one's down to $349. They're from $419. That's a really good deal. A little bit less than $100. We got an 8-inch ramp kit, $6 down from $24. It's already sold out. Guys, that's it for today. I'm going to continue to go to these Home Depots and Lowe's and get you guys the best deals. Make sure you guys stay subscribed so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.